Hi everyone, Sherry here. Today I'm going to show you what Vevor sent me to review. It is the metal storage cabinet. I didn't do an unboxing on this because when FedEx dropped it, they just put it on the porch and it weighs 103 pounds and I only weigh 126 pounds. There was no way I was going to be able to bring it into the house to unbox. And where it was put on the porch, it wasn't wide enough to do an unboxing. So we brought in all the pieces to put it together. So let's go check it out. So here is the cabinet all built. And unfortunately, I didn't get a video of me putting it together. The lighting was really bad and you couldn't even tell what I was doing. And unfortunately, I didn't notice it until after I had it built. So I'll go over all the features with you, which is more important anyway. It said it should only take about 30 minutes to put together. So the manual, which is very, very well written, shows what it should look like. It tells you the product parameters and the precautions. Gives the part list here, which is nice. It tells you have one of A, one of B, and each piece was marked A, B, and so on. Step by step on how to put it together. And there you have it, a nice complete storage cabinet. The height is 71 inches. The width is 31.5 inches. And the depth is 15.75 inches. A nice size. It is made out of steel. The thickness of the steel is 0.24 inches. It comes with a screwdriver and it is reversible. Change it from flat to Phillips. Very nice. They also give you a pair of gloves to protect your hands, which I thought was very nice. It comes with 5 shelves. 4 of them are adjustable. They have the little hinges that they just rest on, and you just put them in the little slots here and then adjust the shelf. Each shelf can hold 200 pounds. So that's 1,000 pounds worth of stuff that you can store in here, which is really nice. It has a lock, stick that in there, and it comes with 3 keys, which is nice. Usually they only come with 2. This is the main one, I guess, because it's blue. These are your spares. These ones came on the inside of the door, and this one came with your screws. The doors are hinged, and there are 4 magnets, top and the bottom, to make sure that they stay shut even when it's not locked. They're not real strong magnets, but they seem to work okay. Well, another thing that's nice are these plastic things here can pop out, and then you can adjust the legs so it is level. Very, very handy. That way you don't have to shim it up. As you can see here, there are 2 key locks. That is for stability. You can attach it to the wall in case you have kids that are running around, or it's also good if you have an uneven floor, so when you're walking on it, it's not going to jostle around and become unstable and fall over. Very good idea. And this cabinet is very sturdy, has the lock, has adjustable shelves. You can use it in your garage. You can lock up your chemicals so the kids don't get at them. Keep them safe and secure. You can use them for your craft room and put all of your supplies in there. You can use this in your office for supplies, you know, like your extra paper for your printer, that type of thing. Being as I have a cooking channel, you could use this for all of your many, many cookbooks that you have, or you can use it for a pantry. I have a lot of spices, and I could put my sugar and my flour in there as well to keep them out of the reach of mice or cats and dogs up off the floor. Very, very well made. But what I think I'm going to be using this for is I have a lot of appliances and no place to store them. Let me put some appliances in there so it kind of gives you an idea what you can do with this. It's not completely filled up because I'm not exactly sure what I want to be putting in here. I just stuck some things in there so you can get an idea. This is my Instapot and air fryer accessories. This is one of my little mini dash things. There's a chopper. There's my Vevor meat slicer. And then there's a magic bullet. You know, like I said, you could put in and use it as a pantry with your sugars and your spices and baking supplies like your baking soda and baking powder, stuff that are geared towards baking or cooking. You decide that you need to bake a cake in your Instapot, and just go in there, grab it. Everything else is nice and neat and is not unsightly, just stacked up where a lot of mine are now. So let's go back to the table and I'll give you my final thoughts. So let me give you my final thoughts. What do I think of the Vevor Metal Storage Cabinet? I think it's going to be a really big asset. For one, it's locking, so you can keep your bleach, you can keep chemicals, you can keep any type of poisonous items locked up so your kids or pets can't get into them. Two, it's made out of steel, so it's sturdy. It has adjusting shelving, so you can put your tall items in there and you can put your small items in there and not have wasted space. I like that idea as well. The shelves are easy to adjust and you can put a variety of items in there. And three, which is most important to me, I can use it as a pantry or I can store my appliances in there. But my husband would love it as well, or any man would like it to have in their garage to store their paints, their chemicals, their excess rags, their drills, some of the bigger, you know, hand tools that don't have a space. So all in all, I think this is a very good storage cabinet. If you're interested, go check it out. I'll have the link down below. This is Sherry from Cooking with Sherry. Until next time.